Confucius, Albert Einstein, Mahatma Gandhi, Winston Churchill, all these great men left us with quotes, citations, full of meaning, which I'm going to break down to you in this video. So sit tight and don't forget to like and subscribe. Journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Literally, this is all about a journey that will take you 1,000 miles away from where you started. If you want to walk 1,000 miles, you need to start by taking the first step, then the next one, and so on. It also represents a complex endeavor which usually starts with a fairly easy task. For example, building a skyscraper starts by laying the first brick. Even the simple action of drinking water from the tap requires that you walk to the kitchen, open the tap, and fill the glass with water. If taking the first step is essential for such a simple act of filling a glass with water, it is of vital importance for achieving any goal, small or big. If you wait for things to happen, probably nothing would happen. You have to take the first initiative and act. You need to take the first step and then the other steps would follow. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. In other words, no situation is permanent. Whether you failed or succeeded today, it doesn't really matter because you can't tell if it's going to last, but what matters is you keep going forward. As an example, if you are going through a dark tunnel, keep going. You don't know when you will get out of it, but what is sure is that you will get out of it. So keep going. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish on its ability to climb on trees, it will spend its entire life thinking that it's stupid. What Albert Einstein meant by this is, the fish lives in water. There is no way it can actually climb a tree. If you are a fish, then you are meant to be in water. As a basic example, you can judge or evaluate a carpenter on its ability to create websites. It doesn't make sense. Judge me for who I claim to be, or judge me for what I do. The quickest way to double your money is to fold it over and put it back in your pocket. Many times a lot of problems could be avoided if a person could hold on to his money and keep it in his pocket, not trying to double it or triple it and finally end up losing it all. Don't expect quick returns. If there is no tangible way to invest properly, keep your money back in your pocket. Don't fall into the hands of diabolical people. Don't waste your money in useless things. Instead, just put it back in your pocket. If you are going through hell, keep going. If you are in a bad situation, don't give up. Keep striving until you get out of it what you expect, because staying there ain't gonna help you. If you stay there on the same spot, the same hell is going to torment you. But if you decide to leave, if you decide to move forward, it won't follow you. It won't be able to keep up because you're a strong person, because you have the courage to continue. Man with a hammer, everything looks like a nail. There are two possible ways of understanding this quote. The first one is, a hammer might not be the most appropriate tool for every purpose, yet a person with only a hammer is likely to try and fix everything using it without considering other options. It ultimately means if you have only one skill, you would try and use it to solve every problem, even if it is not the best solution. People prefer to work makeshift with what they have rather than looking for the best way to do things. That is, if you limit your choices, then your experiences will be limited. The second way is, we tend to have a narrow view of the world. When an engineer looks at a computer, he imagines the different softwares he can run on it. When a gamer looks at a computer, He pictures the type of games he can run on the computer. When a seller looks at the computer, on the other hand, he sees an opportunity of making money by selling it. Each has a different hammer, a different perspective, and a different plan.